What's up, guys? This is Jake Fry, the car guy here at J.C. Lewis Ford Statesboro. Guys, we are bringing you an amazing F250 Super Duty Lariat diesel truck with the TREMOR package. Guys, as we come around our grill of the F250 TREMOR, you'll see the beautiful black accent badging and lighting, as well as fog lights and tow hooks on the front of your Super Duty Lariat TREMOR package. As we come around to the side here, guys, you're gonna see these awesome 35-inch Wrangler all-terrain Goodyear tires with an 18-inch rim specific to your TREMOR package. You'll also notice here some beautiful black Lariat and F250 badging to match your 6.7 Power Stroke Turbodiesel badging there. These running boards, guys, you cannot get these without coming to the TREMOR package. These are amazing off-road running boards that are gonna help you when you're getting out there in the woods, getting after it like these Super Duties can do. Our keys here, guys, have remote start so that we can easily cool down or heat up the truck hater-free.
Hater-free.
Keyless door entry on your side here, guys. As we come to our interior, you'll see your powered mirrors, tow mirrors, for hauling all that heavy stuff we know the F250 diesel can haul. This is a four-wheel drive F250. We see here on our interior some of the beautiful wood grain interior accents that have been added with this F250 Lariat package. You also see some memory seats, automatic headlights, the turn on for the side lights as well. And guys, the F250 TREMOR package offers you so much in the way of capability, but also luxury. You see the amazing leather seats, both heated and cooled here, with an integrated trailer brake, dual climate control. You see your locking rear differential with the pull-out here. Our beautiful digital dash there will show you tire pressure, oil life, fuel economy, everything you might want to see, including that great off-road stuff this TREMOR package is built for. We also have built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and plenty of settings to make sure your truck is set up right. Guys, the interior of this F250 Lariat TREMOR package offers so much in the way of power seats, plenty of storage in the back, a massive center console with an adjustable slide right here for change, whatever you might need to store. And guys, we've got a little magic trick for you here. You see some USBs. If y'all want to see a little bit of YouTube magic here at J.C. Lewis Ford, I'm about to double the amount of cup holders we have. You see here 2 cup holders? Take a look, guys. Boom.
Oh my God.
We have 4 cup holders just like that, guys. That's how capable this F250 TREMOR diesel is. We also have a beautiful wall outlet as well as 12 volts. So if we need to work, charge those camping gear, whatever we need, do it right from the truck. Dual glove boxes for extra storage. We have our trail control mode with this F250 TREMOR. The touch of a button, we can get all of our trail control going, better traction control, and better gauges for what we're actually doing when we're going off-road. This TREMOR package also has the lane keeping and blind spot, so this truck will physically stay in the same lane, keeping you and your family safe. Automatic emergency braking. We also have the beautiful, crisp sounding Bang & Olufsen sound system, guys, which is gonna really get you bumping while you're rolling around in the woods with the boys. Guys, from the upfitter switches to the power seats, power back glass, there is not much that they left out on this F250 TREMOR Lariat package. Come on down to J.C. Lewis Ford Statesboro, ask for Jake Fry the car guy or Walker Paul Tetters, and we will get you going. Thanks.